So I got a new package in the mail, so I figured I'd do a little unboxing. This is actually my first ever purchase from Lace Market. This time, it's actually a sweet Lolita dress. If you follow my Instagram or my TikTok, you know I've got one cord that's classic Lolita, and otherwise I wear just about every other style you can imagine. But today is specifically this sweet Lolita cord. I'm going to unbox the dress. It's actually a OP one piece. My last one was a JSK. So this one's going to be like all one piece. It's really cute. I also have a new petticoat that I figured I'd do a little review on since I got excited and already unboxed it. So yep, today is the sweet Lolita dress and the petticoat. Now I know a lot of people are probably going to come for me in the comments for this, but the petticoat is actually off Amazon. Yeah, I know. So it's actually from a store, Happy Story I think it's called. I saw this petticoat floating around on all the Lolita groups like a few months ago, and I'm like, hey, I want to get that, and then I waited all these months to get it. So a little bit late to the party, but here it is. So it's got 3 tiers and a little drawstring around the waist, and it's actually adjustable. And it's blowing out my camera. So, whatever. There we go. These little strings here actually adjust the height of the petticoat. You just pull these and you can shorten each tier. And they're in several different places all over it. So, very nice lace, which you can't see. And the adjustable thing actually does work. And it actually looks really nice. You can even do like a high-low with it. So, I love that because I wear dresses even outside of Lolita that I need petticoats for, and this definitely helps with that. And it's definitely got the big poof. Okay, this is a big poof. So it is definitely worth the buy if you get it. The one thing, it does have more, it's got like a little hoop skirt on the inside underneath all the lace, and it does have a little protective mini skirt part on the inside too, for modesty. The one thing is, my measurements, I will flat out tell you, are 28 in the waist and 40 in the hips. So, if you're anything lower than me in like the waist area, go for it. It will absolutely fit you. It's got a little drawstring. If you're more than like, I'd like to say 3, 4, 5 inches, 5 might be pushing it, bigger than me in the waist, I don't know if it would really fit you that well. Because like, it fits me, but it fits. So, it's like just perfect for me. But I do wear it at my true waist. If I pull it down any, I muffin top a little bit. So, just want to give that warning out there. It won't fit everyone, but I mean, it fits well for anyone around my size and smaller. So, I think a few inches, like 3 inches, is probably good enough. Like, bigger than me, that's probably as good as you're going to get. So, but it does have quite a bit of stretch, so it does go over my hips. That's the biggest problem I usually have, is fitting things over my hips. So yeah, I definitely recommend this to anyone that can fit into it. It's Happy Story on Amazon. So, and just look up adjustable petticoat and it shows up. So yeah, that I'll actually be trying that on underneath of this dress today. So yeah, and next up is opening the package. Mom, you gotta come look at the dress. No. Fine, I'll keep it pointing at the dress. Here, it's pointing at the dress. Come look at it.
Oh, that's very pretty.
See, I told you you'd like it. Look at all.
I do like it. It's
feel the freaking fabric. It is amazing, isn't it?
And where are you gonna wear this?
I will wear it anywhere. Let me tell you, I will wear this out to Walmart shopping if I have to. Don't worry about how much it was. Look at this. The detail to fabric and everything. And look at this print. See, it's got crosses and churches and stuff on it. You love that.
Yeah, I like it.
Also, look at this. That's the bow. And
very pretty.
Came with the bow that also has matching crosses. Oh, get the cat. Get the cat. Get the cat. No cats are allowed around my Lolita dresses. So, do you finally like my Lolita outfits?
I like that one. I don't like the prices of them.
You know what? I got this for a better price than most of them, okay? Quit laughing at me. Okay, so that was my first look at the dress. I'm in love with this dress. Like, oh gosh. It's called the Benny Rose Church. Yeah, I've got the label down there. It's called the Benny Rose Church. This thing is just freaking gorgeous. Like, look at the bow by itself. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this thing. This is definitely my new favorite. This here. I love how it has these little things dangling off of it. I don't see a tag inside of it. I didn't really expect one. Just want to double check, but yeah. This is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely a new favorite. So I'm going to go try this on. Okay guys, here it is. So I'm actually shooting in my front room because my entire house is horrible for videotaping, recording of any kind, except for my bedroom, which still isn't the best. So this is the only area I can actually do this in because the lighting is garbage. So I'm by my front door. And yeah, I had to go horizontal. A little bit of a warning, I didn't want to put extra money into this before I made sure that fit me and everything, you know. So I don't have socks and shoes to go with this cord or like, you know, I will finish later, but look at this. So the petticoat did need a little bit of work because, you know, the adjustment and stuff, you have to get the same size all the way around. And I'd have issues where I would tighten one side all the way and then go to the other one. It wouldn't be tightened all the way. So you gotta make sure it's perfectly the same all the way around. So that's something I'm gonna have to practice with. I actually have to have my mom help me because it's so hard to tie the petticoat when you have it on. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So I love the way it looks with my hair color, which you can't see very well. My hair color is pretty, like a weird mix of brown and red, but it's more red than what's showing up on camera. And you can tell the camera is bringing out more of the browns rather than the pinks in the dress, but yeah. So the sleeves are a little bit short for me, which, you know, I kind of expected because I got freaky long arms apparently. This is a common issue. But it's a common issue with Asian sizes. American sizes I don't have the issue with, but, you know. So it's just barely, like, just barely too short. So I've been working them up and just keeping it like this because I think it honestly looks cute with the added poof either way. So I'm probably going to get either, like, a pearl bracelet, something to go with it. But yeah, and I freaking love this. So yeah, this is my new dress. So yeah, and the petticoat, like I said, there is some difficulty with the adjustments and keeping, that's the other thing, the strings. I'm trying to keep my leg up. There are strings to tighten it, they do hang down at the bottom, so I'd suggest making a tiny bow at the end without shortening it to make it fit better. So other than that, like, I freaking love this. I will definitely be wearing this to my next meet, as long as I find shoes in time. But you know, so yeah, this is definitely my new favorite. Hey y'all, editing cat here. When I took off this lovely dress, I was getting changed and I realized this was hanging out the bottom of it. It does have tags. So this is the brand, Benny's Desire, and I've noticed all of their stuff is like rabbit themed on their tags and stuff, which I freaking love. So yeah, oh, and size medium, okay. I didn't know what size this was, I was just going by measurements when I bought it, so yeah, this is good. Okay. So yeah, there is the tag for all y'all that want to go check it out. This is Benny's Rose Church. So yeah.
Tell me like a Hellcat.